is Amir Gulf, and I came from Jallo. I watching always YouTube and TikTok, mateenauto videos. First of all, I have more than 2 years I'm watching these videos, and finally I decided there is minor scratches and little bit corners, edges problem. So I came to visit to the showroom, and I meet Mr. Nadeem. He was very sincere and nice person and honest man. He said, Amir brother, don't worry, we will make a one form sheet and we will write all details and comments, whatever there is the requirement to fixing, repairing and scratching. Today I came here and I saw my car was like brand new. It is really amazing. I'm totally satisfied with this job and highly recommended to visit to Nadeem Autos and Mateen Autos. Thank you very much.